Hi there, rubber duck, you're my special friend, floating in the bubbles as we play pretend. Watch me make a wave, see the water splash, having so much fun in my evening bath. Splish, splash, I'm taking my bath, making waves and making me laugh. A little boat is sailing round and round we go. Scrub my toes and fingers till they're white as snow. Bubbles on my head like a silly hat. What do you think, ducky? Do you like that? Splish, splash, I'm taking my bath, making waves and making me laugh. Time to wash my arms and clean behind my ears, my tummy and my legs, until mom says all clear. Now it's time to rinse and say goodbye to you, till tomorrow's bath time when we'll play round 2. Thank you, rubber ducky, for the fun today, splishing and a splashing all our cares away. Splish, splash, I'm taking my bath, making waves and making me